Hello kids, in English learning today we are going to write the rhyming words. This is a new concept for you, and rhyming words are those words which have same ending sound. For example, in this word, the first letter is K, A, R. K, R, car. The ending sound is R. Here the ending sound is A. Am, all, add. So what you have to keep in mind is that it is very simple to write rhyming words. It is as similar as the family words, as if we are writing the R family words over here. And secondly, only first sound has to be changed. The last sound will remain same. And the third point important for you is that the words you are making should be meaningful. With the help of an activity, we can understand this concept in a more better way. For example, I have prepared these flashcards for you. Ending sounds are written over here, and the first consonant sound is given a hyphen. That is, here we have to affix some consonant letter from these cutouts. I have taken out the cutouts of all the consonants, and we will be taking up these consonants one by one and placing it over here like this and frame words, and these will be rhyming words. So first word we have got, we have taken out B from there and B-R, bar. Now instead of B, we can place C over here and we get the word car. Okay, instead of C, we can take out the next card. Dar is not a meaningful word, so we will leave it over here. We will place F over here at first place and we get the CVC word far. So far is again the rhyming word for car and bar. Gar is also not a word, so this is not a meaningful. Har is again not a meaningful word, and so we will leave this. Again we will place J over here, and jar is a meaningful word. Jar, jar. Par, par. Mar is not again a meaningful word. Rar is not. Sar is not. And we have war, W-A-R, war. So these all were the rhyming words in R family words. If we talk about add family words, here we can place S over here and we get the new word sad. Okay, rhyming word for sad will be, it can be rad. This is again meaningful word. If we place M over here, we get the word mad, mad. And if we place H over here, we get the word had. And if we place P over here, we get the word pad, pad, pad. If we place F over here, we get a new word fad, fad. So in this manner, you can have as many words, rhyming words as you can. Now we have ab family words or ab ending word with ending sound ab. We can place C over here and we will get the word cab, cab. And again, if we place rab, 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 and sab, S-A-B, sab, sab, like this. Like this, we can prepare as many words. If we are having am ending sound, we can place M over here and get the word ma'am. And if we place S over here, we will get the word Sam, R, ram. So C, cam. If we place C, we get cam. And if we place J, we get jam. Similarly, with all, we can place B over here and we'll get the word ball. And if we place M over here, we get the word mall. And if we put C over here, we get the word call. In the same manner, you can prepare similar words with AY sound, ending sound. If we place P over here, we get the word pay. If we place G over here, replace with G, we get the word gay. And if we place D over here, we get the word day. Let's start to write. First of all, as usual, writing date, classwork on top, and then putting heading, rhyming words. We are going to start with the first word, and it is car. Now we will replace C K sound with B sound, and we will be writing the word B R bar. Put a comma and we'll be writing two more words, changing the first sound, car, bar. Next we'll be writing J sound, jar, jar. And the next word we are going to write after putting a comma is F sound. Replace the first letter, far. Car, bar, jar, far. Now let's write the next rhyming word for AY sound. As we are having day, we will change the first sound and write down M sound firstly. M, A, Y, may. Let's write the next word, rhyming word for this. Let's say S-A-Y. Say. One more word. Replace S with R and write similar ending sound. R-A-Y. Ray. Day, may, say, ray. At third place we have jam. The ending sound is am. Let's write the word. We are to change the first letter. Instead of J, we will be writing D. Make D sound. A. And ending sound is M. Dam. Dam. And the next, we can exchange D with M sound. And the ending sound will remain same. M. Ma'am. And the last word we can write R sound, A and M. Ram. For writing the next word, next rhyming words, we have B, all. Ending sound is all. So all words over here will be containing all ending sound. And remember children, the words should be meaningful. Instead of ball, B sound, we'll exchange it with C, K sound, K, O, L, call. Put a comma because we are to write some few more words. Exchange it, the first sound, C with F and A, double L, fall. And for writing the last word, we can have W, A, double L, wall. Ball, call, fall, wall. Let's write the next rhyming word. We are having add family words over here. They are also called family words as well as rhyming words. So for writing the last, we'll be taking up B sound at first instance and A, D, bad. Next we can take up M sound at first place and A, D, mad. And last we can write S, A, D, sad. Last sound will be sad. So the last rhyming words we have is had, bad, mad and sad. So you are supposed to revise these words again and again. Thank you.